Imagine a car that carries the heart of Lewis Hamilton's Formula One machine, and yet it is completely legal to drive on public roads. A car so advanced that today's high-performance machines, whether it's BMW's M4, M5, M5 CS, or even the M8, exist in a different category altogether. To truly challenge this machine, a manufacturer doesn't just need a faster sports car. It needs an entirely new kind of supercar, a car whose design is so aggressively aerodynamic it doesn't look like it's driving forward. It looks like it's about to lift off the ground like a jet. Yes, we're talking about Mercedes' Formula One-inspired road-legal monster, the Mercedes-AMG ONE. Mercedes' legacy in Formula One is unmatched. Decades of dominance, innovation, and engineering excellence have shaped modern racing as we know it today. The Mercedes-AMG Patronus Formula One team represents one of the most successful eras in motorsport history, built on relentless development and precision engineering. That experience doesn't stay locked on the racetrack. It flows directly into Mercedes' road cars. Rather than building just another fast supercar, Mercedes asked a radical question. What if you could experience Formula One technology on public roads? Not something inspired by racing, not a design tribute, but real Formula One hardware, adapted, refined, and legalized. That vision became an ambitious high-tech experiment called Project One. After years of research and development, the concept was revealed at the International Motor Show in Germany. And this wasn't just a concept meant to impress crowds, it was a promise. The engine inside this car is directly derived from Mercedes' Formula One power unit, the same engineering philosophy used at the highest level of motorsport. The livery, the airflow philosophy, and even the hybrid system reflect racing DNA. Transforming an F1 engine into a road-legal powertrain is one of the most complex challenges ever attempted in automotive engineering. Formula One engines are not designed for traffic lights, speed bumps, or emissions regulations, but Mercedes committed fully. After years of refinement, testing, and adaptation, the production version officially arrives as the Mercedes-AMG ONE. Production is strictly limited. Each unit is hand-assembled by AMG specialists with obsessive attention to detail. This is not mass production. This is craftsmanship at the highest level. Demand far exceeds supply, not because of hype, but because nothing else like this exists. Now, the real question, what makes this car so special? Let's start with the engine. The AMG ONE uses a 1.6-liter turbocharged V6, the same displacement used in modern Formula One. On paper, that number sounds modest until you understand what this engine really is. This is a modified version of Mercedes' championship-winning F1 power unit, combined with 4 electric motors to form an advanced hybrid system. Together, this setup produces over 1,000 horsepower. The performance figures are unreal. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.9 seconds. 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in around 7 seconds. 0 to 300 kilometers per hour in roughly 15.6 seconds. That means this car reaches 300 kilometers per hour in the time most vehicles are still searching for traction. Top speed is electronically limited to 352 kilometers per hour. Not because the car can't go faster, but because safety and control still matter on public roads. To make this Formula One engine usable beyond a racetrack, Mercedes makes crucial adaptations. The red line is lowered from Formula One levels to 11,000 RPM, and even then, that number is extreme for a road-legal car. For comparison, most supercars operate thousands of RPM lower. The AMG ONE doesn't just rev, It screams. Power is delivered through a 7-speed single-clutch automated manual transmission designed to survive extreme torque and high RPM operation. This is the same philosophy used in modern Formula One gearboxes. Even the elements deploy across the body. Front vents open to optimize airflow. Air channels redirect pressure around the vehicle. The rear wing fully extends, generating real downforce, not just visual drama. A shark fin air guide runs from the roof toward the rear wing, stabilizing airflow just like in Formula One. A roof-mounted air intake feeds the engine efficiently at high speeds. Mercedes engineers obsess over airflow so deeply that even the front logo is flat instead of three-dimensional, because at this level, even millimeters matter. The entire body is constructed from carbon fiber to keep weight as low as possible. Despite its complex hybrid system, the AMG ONE maintains a curb weight under 1,700 kilograms, including batteries and motors. Lightweight, precise, relentlessly engineered. And yes, this car proves itself where it matters most. It holds benchmark lap times on some of the world's most demanding circuits, including the Nürburgring, where it stands among the fastest road-legal production cars ever built. These aren't marketing numbers, they are measured results. From high-speed straights to technical corners, the AMG ONE behaves exactly like what it truly is, a Formula One car adapted for the road. Not softened, not diluted, just engineered within legal limits. This car doesn't exist to compete with luxury sedans or traditional sports cars. It exists in a category of its own. To challenge it, a manufacturer needs more than horsepower. It needs Formula One level hybrid expertise, aerodynamic mastery, and years of racing experience. That's what separates the Mercedes-AMG ONE. It's not just a car. It's a statement, a road-legal machine that carries the soul of Formula One. So, the real question is simple. Would you dare to drive a Formula One car on public roads? Let us know what you think about the Mercedes-AMG ONE. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into extreme automotive engineering, don't forget to like, share, and follow Speed Story, where legendary machines get the stories they deserve.